తమిళనాడు ఎన్నికల్లో మొన్న విజయ్ మీ ఫోటో పెట్టుకుని ఎన్నికల ప్రచారం చేశారు. ఆ ప్రచారం కూడా ఆయనకు బాగా కలిసి వచ్చింది. తమిళనాడు ముఖ్యమంత్రి అయ్యారని కూడా చెప్తా ఉన్నారు. మీరే అనుకుంటున్నారు సార్?
రమేష్, ఆయన రాష్ట్రంలో ఆయనకే పలుకుబడి ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది, కానీ జగన్కి ఎలా ఉంటుందయ్యా?
Sir, one last question, sir. Jagan sir, one last question. Sir, you have come up with the proposal Mavigan. Is it feasible to develop Mavigan while Chandrababu Naidu ji is claiming that we are working continuously on Amravati development and he is also going for the second phase of land pooling?
Dagava, could you just repeat the question?
Sir, is it feasible to develop the Mavigan which you have come up with the proposal? Well, CM Chandrababu Naidu ji is developing, he's telling that we are developing Amravati region as a capital.
See, the whole gist of it is what Chandrababu is conceiving is never a reality. You know that, I know that. I think anybody with reasonable common sense would agree to it. Whereas Mavigan is something which is already in existence. Day one itself, you have a certain level of city in place, with all the infrastructure already in place, be it in the form of a port in Machilipatnam, be it in the form of an international airport in Vijayawada, be it in the form of 4 national highways intersecting, be it in the form of 3 railway stations already in existence, be in terms of 9 medical colleges, private and government, both of them available, be it in various forms, be it educational institutions, be it in various forms, this is already in existence. So there is nothing required for you to spend except for improvising the connectivity, and at best over a period of maybe 5 years or maybe even 7 years or 8 years, just spend, if you can spend just 10% of whatever you're talking about in Amaravati, a reasonable amount of even 15,000-20,000 crores should suffice over a period of 5-7 years. The moment you accept to Mavigan, rather than constructing your buildings there, shift them over here and you christen it as Mavigan and capital. The moment you do that, the capital comes into existence on day one. Whereas there, even after a decade, even after 2 decades, even after 3 decades, you would find yourself in a situation where Andhra Pradesh has no capital.